Good morning. Today we are going to talk about problems related to hip joints, which concern many people. Some of them suffer from it since childhood. While doctors say that it must be so, and nothing should be done about it. However, in fact it is just the opposite. There are methods which can be used to repair it. It is enough to mobilize the body for regeneration. People are often advised to exchange hip joint for the artificial one. But I think it is more harmful than help. Of course, everyone believes in what he wants. Anyway, I know that in our conditions, all such problems can be repaired. Here is an example. A patient who will talk about herself. I all just had. That's the result of our treatment. Is amazing. And confirms what I said. So, tell your story, please.
I have been suffering from hip joint dislocation since my childhood. My condition worsened year by year. Doctors suggested surgery, but I wanted to avoid it. Recently I had very big problems with walking. It became a serious painful challenge. It was very difficult to get from the bus stop to my home or workplace. That is why I turned to Aleksander Haretski for help and came to the Academy of Regenerative Medicine for a 1-month stay. I took all the treatments offered here. They are very intensive. The first effects appeared quite quickly. I mean, I started walking better.
After 1 week.
Yes. I felt a big difference in walking. In addition, my well-being has been improved. Previously I was constantly tired. Here I gained strength and energy. So that I am very happy with the results. I feel that the body is very stimulated and regeneration process is being continued. So I think that the results will be still improved.
Actually, you have already received what you expected. Right?
Yes.
At the beginning, your leg was shorter by 3 centimeters.
Yes.
After therapy, the difference has been decreased to 1 centimeter. It means the improvement of 2 centimeters. It is also very important that you no longer feel pain when walking. You do not take any painkillers now. It means that inflammation in the hips has been removed. You can walk freely. However, the disease remains in your head. You are limping constantly. as you get used to. Although you can go straight now. Because the current difference of 1 centimeter is not an obstacle. You still save the weaker hip by limping, as your doctors recommended. Abnormal walking caused spine curvature, dislocation of the hip, and increased difference in leg length. So these are damages caused by improper medical advice. Your problem at the beginning was small, but there have been major changes over the years due to incorrect treatment. They recommended saving the hip and walking little, while with us everything is the opposite. You have intense exercises, normal walking, and getting up.
You have to work hard to achieve the effect.
Therefore, I congratulate the result and wish you a quick repair process. Now you know that this method works and is effective. All you have to do is keep all the recommendations at home. And what you've learned here, I believe that everything will be fine then.
I believe it as well.
You cannot trick anybody, because everyone feels the results on oneself. I want to emphasize that all diseases should be treated. If you say that something is incurable, then a person breaks down and stops fighting. You have seen many patients here with various diseases, and everybody is happy, as they have good effects, regardless of the disease cancer or muscle atrophy.
And these are non-invasive methods of treatment.
First of all, we cleanse the body, strengthen it and activate to fight. So it is worth to use nature, just like people were treated previously. Nowadays, mainly chemical agents are preferred, which, in fact, often harm rather than cure.
Indeed, I feel a big difference compared to the state when I came here. I am extremely grateful for that.
You came here mainly because of the joints, but thanks to our therapy, all your body is being regenerated. The liver, heart, lungs, and the whole regeneration process will continue.
Indeed, the effects of therapy can be felt in the whole body.
So that people come with one main problem and leave with the repair of the whole organism. It cannot be otherwise. Thank you and all the best.
I also thank you very much.
Sensational news! The Academy of Regenerative Medicine has developed a method of regenerative medicine which acts like a euthanasia. After its application, you can extend life significantly and fight against most incurable and even genetic diseases.